Hello, good morning, students. Let us try to understand the variation of equilibrium constant with the temperature. So, one of factors is there, that is equation which is giving the variation of equilibrium constant with the temperature. At different temperature, equilibrium constant will be different. So, what is the point, student? Only the change in temperature can change the value of equilibrium constant. According to Arrhenius equation, what they are saying, K is equal to AE power EA upon RT, where K is rate constant, A is frequency factor, EA is activation energy. What is, if you are saying for forward reaction, it will be Kf is equal to AF EAF RT. So AF means what is, student? Activation energy of forward reaction. Okay. EAF means what? Activation energy of forward reaction. Energy of what, student? Forward reaction. So let K1 be the equilibrium constant at temperature T1 and K2 be the equilibrium constant at temperature T2. So K1 you can write that is A forward reaction, upon A backward reaction EA, EB minus EAF, EAB minus EAF or RT. So K2 you can write similarly AF upon AB E EAB, no, this is the EAB minus EAF upon RT. AB means activation energy of backward reaction, EAF means activation energy of forward reaction. So if you are taking the log, taking the log, both log this and subtracting 2 from 1, so you will get this equation. And EAF minus EAB is the enthalpy. Okay, so this equation at the end you will be able to get this equation. What I am going to do is, student, I am going to derive this equation. Okay, again for you try to understand this. So suppose we are having, a student, what we are having, if you talk about, so Arrhenius given one equation, student. What equation is that he gave? K is equal to, they have given AE power EA upon RT, right, like this. So what this we can say, at T1 if you talk about, at T2 it is the different. T1 is what, student? That is K1, that is EA upon what will come, student? A, wait student, wait little difficult. What we can write, that is we can write that is AE minus EA upon RT1. And at temperature T2 we can write K2 equal to, no, AE minus EA upon RT2. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So dear student, what we can write, this, you take the ln both side. So if you are taking log, okay, taking log, if you are going to taking log, student, so what is the ln K1 is equal to what, student? Minus EA upon RT1 plus what is there, student? That is ln A. And here is the ln K2 is equal to minus EA upon RT2, and here will be, that is plus ln, what will be there, student? Plus here is ln A, this will be there. There is, student, in this equation, suppose we are considering this equation 3 and 4. So what we are going to do is 3, we are subtracting 3 from equation number 4, this we are subtracting. So what we will be able to get, student, after subtraction? So third equation is what is there, student? From the fourth we are subtracting. So ln K2 minus ln K1 is equal to what is minus EA upon RT2 plus ln A, minus, in the square bracket again it is negative, and that is EA upon RT1 plus ln A, right, student? What we can do, student, we know the formula ln A minus ln B is equal to what, student? Ln A by B, right? So here we can write that is ln K2 by K1 is equal to what is, we can write EA upon RT2 plus ln A minus minus plus EA upon RT1 minus ln E. So dear student, this ln A, this ln A will be cancelled out. Similar term is there in the numerator denominator. So ln K2 upon K1 is equal to what is, student? This is minus EA upon RT2 and plus EA upon RT1. If you are rearranging, student, what you will get? Ln K2 upon K1, you will be able to get this, that is EA upon RT1, okay, minus EA upon RT2. If you solve it out, student, that is ln K2 upon K1, okay, is equal to, that is EA upon R, okay. So EA upon R means 1 upon T1 minus 1 upon T2, right? So dear student, what we can do here in this equation, convert ln into log. Convert, what we are doing, convert ln into log, okay, log, by multiplying by what, how to conversion factor, by multiplying 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 conversion factor, okay, conversion factor. What is conversion factor? 2.303. So that is 2.303 and it will be the log K2 upon K1, okay, equal to what it will come is to an EA upon R, and this is 1 by T1 minus 1 by T2, right? Here what we can do is, student, in this one, log K2, rearranging K2 upon K1 is equal to EA upon 2.303, and that is R, and here is 1 upon T1 minus 1 upon T2, okay. So this is our required answers. This is our required answers here, okay. So in this chapter, that is delta H, we are replacing delta H is equal to, okay, what we can, that is if you are talking about delta H is equal to, we know that is rate activation energy. Better you write that is in the term of activation energy. So activation energy of backward reaction minus activation energy of forward reaction. So we are activation energy we are replacing. So we can write that is log K2 upon K1 is equal to delta H upon 2.303 R, in another bracket 1 by T1 minus 1 by T2, okay. This is our answers. So thank you so much for watching, students.